Good lazy looking iguanas right now.
Every one of these here were born here. They were hatched here. We have special permits with the Department of Wildlife to go out and collect the eggs, and also zoological licenses to hold them. They're endangered for a number of reasons in Belize, the primary one being we eat them. Belizeans use them as bush meat. They call it baboon chicken or bush chicken. He's a good, yes, he loves the rub on the neck. If you do the neck rub, you're his friend.
I saw his eye close a little bit.
Yeah. And you can see his eye bump as well, his false eye. He might throw his dewlap out, and they use it as a signaling device. He'll let us look at it if you want. This is their dewlap. If you put your fingers up here, you can feel the bone inside here. Feel that?
Yeah.
And that's what he uses with a muscle to throw that out. And then he'll wave his head in the jungle, and that tells people, I'm here, I'm the big guy, this is my treat. They also will throw it out as a solar collector in the morning to get warm and to warm up to get active.
The Green Iguana Conservation Project is part of the San Ignacio Resort Hotel, which is striving to restore the threatened iguana populations of Belize. There's nowhere else in the country where you can get such an up-close and personal look at so many of these awesome reptiles.
Checking out the babies. Yeah. Oh, I see them.
Just real lightly, this is a nice little female that was born 3 months ago, hatched 3 months ago.
She's beautiful, bright green.
Yeah, aren't those colors amazing?
Yeah.
Do they still react when they're that young? Do they react to the calcification?
Yes, it's very important that they're out in the open. That's why we have them in this structure where they can actually get full sun. They have to get UVA-A and UVA-B, whereas we're slathering on the protection. They actually have to have it or they won't get proper bone development. And you can see just what little delicate jewels they are.
Yeah.
And what a lovely green color they are. And some of the turquoise, their little eye spot, the color green. Oh look, he's trying to look big. I'm big, don't eat me. I'm big, don't eat me. Please don't eat me. But this is what they look like after a year. This is a little female. And you can see the wonderful size difference. You can see some of the damage from the predator attack that she took. And you can see that the scales are starting to come out on her head.
Yeah.
Adult scales are starting to come out on her head. So this is what these guys will look like in a year.
Wow.
So that's pretty slow growth.
Yeah.
And then 3 years to get to the small size of these guys in here, 5 years to get to the big size. They reach sexual maturity by age 5. So that's another reason it's hard to bring them back.